What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Scream. It's your boy Daysky, and I'm here with Eon Mike.
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? I'm just
It's been a
fucking with you.
minute. It's been a minute, guys. We've been a little bit occupied.
Yep.
There's been a lot of things going on with the market. I don't know if it's looking
Yeah.
good or not, but man,
The market is looking like the market. It's doing what it does, you know.
yes, sir. Now,
Man. Let's break it down for them today, man. Are we gonna see 10K Bitcoin soon? And how soon are we gonna see that happening?
it
What
might
y'all
is
think?
looking like a possibility, man.
What
Yeesh.
y'all think, man? It's crazy out here. It's a bloodbath out here, man. Everybody is selling. We lost 1.3 trillion in just a few days in the whole crypto ecosystem, bro. That is crazy. That's trillions, man, not billions, trillions. That's a lot of zeros,
That was
man.
crazy. I can't even think about that. That's making me
Damn.
kind of hurt. I feel like someone stabbed
Ah.
me in like my back or something. I
Holy
don't know.
shit. Like somebody's getting dollars, somebody's getting fiat. I don't know why, but
There's definitely a whole lot of money in this MF.
I know. But I think the reason is because of this news that came out on Thursday. Let me share my screen. Is that cool? Yeah, let me share
Yeah,
that.
yeah, for sure.
Yeah, it's saying like we lost about $1 trillion in the whole crypto market because I guess Russia introduced like a ban and trading of cryptocurrency, anything that's crypto related. So that that I guess people got scared and got out the market. It is
Started
what it
panicking, I
is.
guess. They started panicking, panic selling, or whatever it's
Yes,
called.
sir. Like yeah, everybody, all the people that are shorting, like they are shorting hard on Bitcoin. So yeah, man, it's just crazy right now. Like about 8%, like in 8 hours. I mean, in 24 hours, got taken out of just the Bitcoin market cap. Like it's crazy. All the stable coins is not the stable coins, but like the altcoins like Binance, ADA, Solana, and Ethereum too. They all got hit as well, which is crazy, man. So the market is taking a lot of hit. So what are we gonna
It's
do
pretty
about
bad. I
it?
mean, if Bitcoin is going down, that's bad for every other thing.
Yeah. Well, some not necessarily because sometimes when Bitcoin go down, like
The odds do good.
exactly the money like people move into some altcoins. So the some of the money flows into some altcoins. So, but now if we're in a bear market, if we have just started a bear market, then it's like all right, everything is going down. But I don't know. I don't think we're in a bear market yet. It's a big drop, but it's in a short amount of time. Like this drop happened pretty quick. Like it's pretty crazy. It's just like right here, we had that big ass drop back here in from April. It went up high and then we dropped like crazy all the way down to July. So April, May, June. That's 3 months, right? Yeah. In 3 months we were just riding down, down, down. This high happened here in November, so we're seeing January, hopefully February. We're gonna hopefully we hit like our point soon, and then from there, this Fibonacci, I drew this Fibonacci right here, and it's hitting this Fibonacci right here. So we could see it hit this and then retrace back up here somewhere, or yeah, maybe up here somewhere at 41, and then we're gonna see a drop crazy. The rest of the drop going down, but I don't know, man. It's a tricky market right now.
Man,
It's just a lot. You can see it. It's it's been just steady drop, just drop for the past few days. For the past week actually.
Yeah, that drop
So
definitely brought a lot of eye on this because a lot of people are starting to, buy back in. But I'm thinking it might be a little bit too early to start doing that. But I mean, if you're like a day trader or something, you might be able to make a lot of money,
yeah,
like
of
utilize
course.
this. But yeah, like, this week is very crucial. Like if it just remains this way this week, it could either do two things, right? Go
Hmm.
lower than it is, or just stay at where it's at currently because I don't really see it going up to like 40 anything. Maybe 36 or like 37. But like I said, and also the same financial advice. This is just me thinking what will happen. But I don't think it's getting past 40K in like a minute. I would say like at least 2 months, man.
Yeah,
I don't.
it's listen, it's that's very possible. This market right now it's just bloody. Everybody is panicking, everybody's selling, and people are getting out of the market.
Yeah.
For reasons some are known, some are unknown. So it's just it's just the market doing what it does. Like this will not be the first time we've seen this type of drop before, and it's not going to be the last time. Very soon, we're going to see, this market, like especially with Bitcoin, we're going to see it jump in $20,000 in one day, like like
Damn.
$10,000 in just like an hour, like but like it's going to be very volatile in the near future,
I
like.
mean, it did like 5K in like less than 24 hours, right?
Is that I believe so. I might have. I'm not really
Yeah.
sure, but these are the volumes that we're gonna see like in the future for sure. I believe so. But now I feel like we're on a downtrend. This is a perfect downtrend line. It's hitting it and each time it hits it, it drops. Each time it hits it, it drops. Each time it hits it, it drops. And now we might hit it again. You are right. I do believe we might not even see that 41. 40. I'm being hopeful to see this 41, but we might not see that. But we might definitely see maybe 37 or uh, at
38
least at
maybe.
least close to. I think we're gonna see it close to 40 again. I believe so.
Mm.
We're either gonna see close to 40 again before we have a drop back down, or we just gonna see 40 and then probably try to correct again. Because I'm looking at this bottom right here. If we could hold off on this bottom, this low right here, like if we could stay, like, cause this is a support right here from way back in it, early last year. It's a
Oh,
support
okay.
area right here as well. Like this little area right here. So if we could just hold up over here, just hold on a little longer. I think we could see some, we want to see that 100K.
But we're below that though. I mean,
No, 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 we're not even there yet. We're still above it. You see, like this level right here is between. Let me draw it out real quick. Give me 1 second. So this
Mhm.
levels right here. I'm talking about these like this, like right over here,
oh, okay.
like right
But are we like
this
we're
level
like
right here. So that level is between 31,000 and 28,000. So
damn.
yeah. So if we could keep up, if we could hold this, like this is a very critical level right here, if you ask me in Bitcoin. So if we could hold those like this level, or just if we trade in here, or just you see how we just like dabbled in here like a little bit, just like got in and got back out,
Right.
But if we could do the same thing with this, I think that's we're gonna see pretty good numbers going upwards. But again, we'll see what happens in the next few days to next few weeks for sure. I'm giving this a few. I know, like I feel like I'm so impatient nowadays because crypto is so fast. Like everything is just it moves so quick. So
It really
uh,
does. Right.
and I feel like things is gonna happen like maybe in a few hours instead of just a few days.
Right.
But you know, yeah, we just gotta be patient and just wait it out and see what happens.
Right.
As we go on. So yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know,
I mean,
is my screen visible? Shoot, I'm
yeah,
just looking
it's
on
visible.
that.
I can make it like say just one screen, so that way it's yeah big enough
I'm
to
just making
view.
sure.
Yeah, yeah, it's visible. It's visible.
Cool.
But yeah, I was just gonna like run over like just the top 100 or something, maybe top 50 really. Um, for me, just add this, I guess. But yeah, currently, if we go on nomics.com, or maybe if you use CoinMarketCap, you can see that on first glance, everything is in the green, but don't be fooled by that. We're in the red. Okay, we're not even close to being in the green, although it's showing that, but we're in the freaking red. I mean, if you've been in the crypto for the past week, you know we're in the red. So but yeah, Bitcoin currently stays at 34, almost 35K. Ethereum is down really bad. We might be testing that. We might be, getting close to that 2K mark within a week. We'll see how this week plays out, but yeah, pretty much at this point you're better off in USDC if I'm being honest, or like you in Tether or
USDT,
something. Yeah,
yeah.
USDT, whatever USDC, yeah, you're better off in those, stable
Yeah, because you can
coins.
still earn like, you still earn interest just holding them, on some of these exchanges or
Right, right.
wherever you might have your thing at. So.
Hmm. And also we have Hex currently going down. We're at 18, 19 cents currently. It was at a low at 17. We went back up to like close to 20, but I think that also was being affected. As you can see here, the 7-day prediction on this is 16 cents, but that's just a nomic prediction, so it's not necessarily doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be. It doesn't necessarily mean it's accurate, but nomics usually is almost kind of accurate for the most part. What does it say with Bitcoin? It says 37. Okay, well, what that? Ooh, 37 Ethereum 1900. Wow, that's
Dang,
yeah,
Ethereum is 2,300, man.
right.
Yo, that is crazy.
Yeah, that's intense. Now, Dogecoin, on the other hand, we're at 13 cents. Hey, you know what you were saying earlier? It's saying that it might hit 10 cents within 7 days. So on here, so you're pretty much there.
Yeah,
You saying like 9 or something like that.
yeah, nine. Yeah, it's pretty possible. Yeah, I could see that happening.
Right.
For sure. Because
Interesting,
yeah,
interesting. But yeah, I mean, for the most part, yeah, we're trying to figure what's going on right now. Everything is just down. What is this? Do you know what this is? This Bitcoin thing?
I think it's
Because it's
just
like
like
I,
Bitcoin, Ethereum, or some shit. I don't know, bro. I don't
'cause I
want
don't
to,
understand that.
give
It's
you.
like the same price
Let me
as
just Google it,
Bitcoin. So
bro. What
that's
is
like
Bitcoin? Wrapped Bitcoin? Because let me see.
but
Yeah,
yeah.
it's a ERC2. It's a ERC token. Yeah, so it's like Ethereum, Bitcoin on Ethereum blockchain. That's basically what it is. The Bitcoin that backs. Let me see this. Yeah, so it's a back in like it's backed 1-to-1, I guess. So yeah, it's just Bitcoin and an Ethereum smart contract or
Mm.
Ethereum blockchain.
So it's a separate coin entirely from Bitcoin, or is it just like is it a
It's
pair?
like just like a mirror of Bitcoin, but on Ethereum blockchain. Does that make sense? It's literally
I
it's
guess
Bitcoin, but it's not Bitcoin.
so. It's pretty
because,
much
because
doing the same thing Bitcoin is doing. Is that what you're saying?
exactly it's exactly Bitcoin, but
But it's just an
it's
Ethereum
on an
network.
Ethereum. Exactly. It's an Ethereum, yes. So it's not Bitcoin, but it's Bitcoin. It's just Bitcoin. It's
Okay.
for Bitcoin.
I guess. I mean, that just threw me off seeing that. I'm like, there's nothing else that's 30 anything thousand. Like, why is that? But I mean, I guess.
How much is I know there was a coin that was going like crazy. Uh what
What
coin is
coin?
that? I think it's Uniswap. Is Uniswap? Yeah, Uniswap. Oh, it's just $10? Yeah.
No, that's $10. Yeah. I mean,
Yikes.
yeah, yeah. I definitely sold on mine. I
Yeah,
remember.
you used to have Uniswap?
Yeah, like with the low like airdrop, I had like 400 of them.
Oh wow.
Yeah, but I
Should have
sold all of
kept
them
it.
though. Yeah, but I sold them for. I'm glad I actually did because I don't. Yeah, I'm in the green anyways. I'm selling it.
Cool. That's
Yeah,
good. That's good. That's good. But yeah, man,
but
the
I wish I
market
had some.
is yeah. You say it again?
No, I said, but I wish I still had some though. So whatever, I can always get
Yeah,
some later.
it was airdrop to you, right? So you got it like yeah for free technically. Yeah, it went all the way to $48 or 40 something dollars. That's okay.
Damn, I didn't even know that, yo. I thought it was. I guess the high was like maybe like 20 something. That's 40
Nah,
something.
yeah, it was up high, man. Uniswap used to be very expensive, but you can see, this we're in a down. I think we're in a bear market, man. Like we're gonna be
Right,
going down for a little while, man. But
right,
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Look at that. Look at that chart. Though. Like it's just looks pretty sad.
right.
Like help me. I need funds.
Yeah, that's really. Let's
I
see
need
what the
money.
monthly is. Yeah, that's going bad, bro. Look at this. Went from
Yeah.
this was within.
But if we look at some altcoins though, if we look at let me go to mine. Some altcoins are doing okay right
Some
now.
altcoins. Okay.
Yeah, it's let me see. Let's scan it. Like I know it's like something went up like 30%, like 30%, 80%. Like ice, look at ice is up 80% today. Shit. But it dropped crazy though. So it's like, damn. Can you see my
Sharing
screen?
screen, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
I just put it on
It went
there.
up 80% today. Look at that can. 80% in 24 hours. That's
Dang,
ice.
eighty
Yeah.
percent.
Yes.
The
Satima is up 25% in 24 hours.
does that just okay? Wait, you said 25%?
Yeah.
That's. I mean,
It went
that's
up higher though, but it
cool.
currently it's just up. But you can see it went up like maybe like 50%.
So those coins that are going up like that, does it? Do you
I
think
don't
that
know,
just means
man.
that's like their bottom or
It,
something? Like they're
it,
reaching
it's,
bottom?
it looks like two green, so I don't know. It could be like a starting up of something like like two green, and then if we could see more green like this, yeah, we could. We could be trying to break these support right here, this resistance, and see what's up. But again, I feel like we're in a bear market, so who could actually go lower? Like this has room to go
Lower.
to nothing. But the market cap is you see the thing about this, like the market cap is high. That's 1.2 billion.
Right.
That's big. Like that's not no little money. Like that's a lot of money
That's
right
the
there.
Tama, right?
Yeah, it's just how yeah.
Mm.
So if you look at this is 1.2 billion, and then you look at ICE, right? Where's that ICE? Look at ICE. That's just 1.1 mil. Like you can't compare that.
Yeah, that's almost 900 and something million.
If,
Like, nah, that's not even close to.
like it's crazy, bro. Like
That looks like it's
so,
a few niggas. I mean, a few, a few
yeah,
guys trading that, man. Like what?
like yeah, chill, chill. Yeah,
But
it's
hey,
crazy.
mhm.
Like this, you can see this hit this lines pretty perfectly, man. Like it's perfect. Bounce back up. Let's see if we can hit it up back up here. You know, but listen, then let's look at Bezos. Bezos has been, I put this line on Bezos,
Yeah, Bezos is
and
down, yo.
yeah, it is. But if you see this line, I put this line back a while back, and it's like rapping on it. So I'm like, this could be a bounce from here. Hopefully, we could like bounce back up and start setting up a uptrend with this.
Yeah,
Like if we could start setting an uptrend like this right here, and like maybe something like this, and then we just need something over here. Uh, we just need to have something going. Actually, let me just do this. It's clone, clone. There we go. Sure, okay. Yeah, so we need to like get in this into a trend like this. If we could like bounce from here and then bounce back up, bounce, and then maybe go above this, and then start trading above this, and then we're gonna build another maybe trend line somewhere around here as well.
Bezos,
Yeah,
man. I don't know. Honestly, at this point, bro, I think what I'm gonna do is just we'll see how this week plays out. If anything, if it goes even further down, man, it might just be time for me to just start racking up on all these lower market coins. Just kind of like this Bezos and then some other stuff too. You know, if the market is just gonna go down, I mean, what I'm trying to do, what I'm planning on doing is just having all these alts and just having them in like a Trezor or like um what's that other one called?
yeah. We don't want to tell people how we
Right,
keep
right,
our
right. I
shit.
mean, definitely. I'm
You
just
know.
saying, like from
Yeah, I got
from
you. I got you.
a
I got you.
long term holder's perspective, it'll make sense. So, doing our financial advice, it'll make sense to get something that is, you know, the cheapest you can get it for. You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying? We're
of
not,
course. You buy
yeah,
low and you sell high.
yeah. I mean, if you believe in a certain project, then why not? I mean,
Yes, sir.
a lot of things happen like that. I mean, Tesla was what at a point it was under $200. Where are we right
Yeah.
now? We're like, what is it, 700 or 1,000? I don't even know.
Tesla is on the it's dropped last week, which is everything is gonna fall. Like it's not always gonna go up, man. It's not always gonna
Yeah,
go up. Like yeah, look at
definitely.
that. Look, it will head up all the way to 1243. So now it's about to break this other Fibonacci line. It broke this one. You can see clearly broke this white. So once it break this white, we're gonna be touching down here at least to this 700 area for sure. Or yeah, at least this yellow line right here. Let me see. Let me redraw some of these because this looks kind of messy.
Mm.
So actually, let me just put Support as resistance. And actually, it touched this right here and it bounced back. So we might be bouncing back. You see, this is trading on this Fibonacci right here. So it could like bounce back from here next week, but from this candle, the way this candle ended, that's a candle telling me like we are not done going down yet. So we might hit this right over here somewhere and then pull back up, or we are going down to here. And if we can't hold here, we're going down here and all the way down to this white right here to take us back up. But if we look in the past, like it never really like it touches the red. The red is the most that is. Let me see. Let me see. Okay. Yeah, this thing was trading at 30 something dollars, man. 2016. It was trading at 20 something dollars in 2016. This is crazy. Okay, so we left this right here and then we test the white. We did the white right here and then we bounced back up. And then we test the white here. See, we broke that white right here and then went back up, wrote the white a little bit, but then later on just fell through the yellow, through the red, and even through this light green right here. We actually, yeah, we just kept falling. We just stayed out of this whole year basically. But you didn't have to. Well, you could have traded this if you're a good trader. Could definitely cough a few percentage right here.
Right.
Buy right here, and then probably like set your stop loss below this, and then as you move up, it just keeps moving up your stop loss. And then whenever it hits your stop loss, you just get out the trade and just chill until you enter back in here, get back out somewhere around here, and but blah 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 blah. I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, all that being said, yeah, it's just trading like this white line. It just keep playing with this white line right here. Like it hugs this white line for a while, and then it breaks down, and then it comes back to it, and just keep doing that right there. And then it broke out over here a little bit, and this then went back down. Like it just this is perfect. Like it trade. This is like the red and gray, red, gray, red, gray. Like that could have been a perfect like buy and sell right there if you were trading this. Like that's easily 14% right there. Boom. And that's another. And this is another 17%. You would have made some money in this trade right here if somebody would have taken it. But
Yeah.
uh
That chart right there definitely looks like it was a bloody like
yeah, it
trading
was
period
very
there. Like a lot of people were
very
just going in and
volatile.
out. Yeah.
Yes, yeah. Very right.
Yeah, you
It's
definitely gotta know what you're doing. Like if you're just in here thinking you're about to drop like 300K, shit, you might just be up
yeah.
3,000. Let me say that's
Now,
not really.
if if you set your stop loss, like you do your risk management, of course, set your stop loss maybe like one, you're willing to lose 1% to make 4%, or I don't know, something of that sort, and just if it like let's say if you set your stop loss like right below this, like right 1% below this, right, and then it doesn't hit this 1% below this, and it goes up to right here, and then you just set your stop loss again, like move your stop loss. So you have made all that profit, right? And then you
Right.
still set your stop loss, and then it never hits your stop loss right here. It just goes all the way up. You move your stop loss again, and then if let's say it never goes all the way up past this, and it just like drops back down here, and it hits your
Mhm.
stop loss, you're taking that's a good percentage right there. You've made like from 4%, you probably made fucking 13 or 14% from just risking 1%. You made 4%, like 13% out of it. That's not bad. Like,
It's
you
really
know,
not.
it's not. So if you just keep doing that, like just yeah, that's the thing. You have to like be disciplined to be able to set that and just know, all right, I'm out of this trade. I'm out of this trade. All right, when is my next point of entry? Now you get back in at a good point of entry, and then you just do the same thing over again. Set your stop loss, and then if it goes up, you move your stop loss up, and then you keep doing the same thing, riding it up until it hits your stop loss, and then you're out of that trade, and then you just
Right.
go chill out again and wait for another entry point, and just keep doing the same thing over and over and over again, and shit, it adds up, bro.
With
Like,
the stock, with the actual stock market, like, do they have the fees are not as crazy as in the crypto market, like with it, right?
uh,
Because if you're trading and all that stuff, like, you got to worry about those fees too. Like, if you're not, you know, if you just think,
I think some what do they call brokers? They
yeah,
give you like a certain amount of trades
yeah,
for free or something like that. Like
got you,
there's
got you.
there's a buck fee for like making this amount of trade, or I don't know, something like that. Like, or they bill
Right,
you like monthly or some shit.
got you,
So
got you.
it's different from crypto. With crypto, I think you're just charged on every trade, depending on the platform that you're
Definitely,
trading with,
yeah.
or which exchange that you're trading with. But yeah, but look at Tesla, man. If you would have invested in Tesla in 2020, man, you would have been so just January 1st of 2020. Oh my gosh. Like just in 2 years,
What was it on?
you would have like January 12th of 2020 is right here.
Which what price is that? $40 something?
It was at 80 something dollars.
Hey,
$85. Bro, if you would have put like, let's say if you would put $8,000 in here, right? That would have been a hundred shares. Yeah, let's say like 8,500 in here. That would have been
mhm.
100 shares, bro. So you would have rolled that 100 shares all the way up to Tesla split, right? It went all the way up to like 2,000, and then it split, I think, four ways, right? And then it dropped to like $400 a share or something. But if you would have bought that $8,500 for 100 shares, and you sold right here at this 1,200, bro, that would have been about $120,000 right there from an $8,500 investment. That's not bad. That's in 2 years. That's not bad. Most people don't even make that in, in their lifetime working, bro. Like us, I'm not trying to come at people, bro. I'm just saying, it's a fact, though.
Right, right.
But yeah, 1,200 times 100, that's 120,000, right? Yeah, 120K you would have made. But bro, that's like, yeah,
That's a lot. That's a lot
that's a
of
good
money.
come up right there.
That's about like a 10x, or like a 12, maybe
Yeah,
like
I'm more than a
11.
10x.
Yeah,
More than a 10x.
yeah. That's pretty
But
good.
yeah, Tesla, I definitely like, if Tesla job, I'm definitely buying some more Tesla. I
Yeah.
am buying a bunch of Tesla. I sold some of my Tesla at like 1,100. I sold some of it and like, yeah, I got out the market like at 1,100. So right now I could buy some right now because I've made money already. So if I buy some right now, it would have been like, yeah, I'll be making profit. But I'm gonna wait for it to drop. I feel like it's gonna drop some more, and I feel like the market is just as a whole is gonna drop some more. So yeah, look at that. It's perfect right here. It's the downtrend. It's forming a downtrend right there.
Mm.
If we hit this again, it's gonna pull us back down. If we hit this again, it's gonna pull us back down.
Let's get back into crypto for a little bit.
Yeah, yes, sir. Let's do it. Let's do it.
On the stock market.
I know. I'm sorry. You know,
Nah,
Tesla. The reason why I would talk about Tesla is because Tesla is the owner, Elon Musk. He's into crypto. So
yes, yeah,
of
definitely,
course
definitely.
we appreciate him supporting the crypto and crypto ecosystem. So
Right,
you know
right.
we'll talk about his stock. We'll take a
I mean,
minute.
yeah, I mean they're like one of the big
Top
companies that actually
orders.
accept crypto, right? For like
Yeah.
their on their website and
They're
everything.
actually accepting Dogecoin,
Right.
for to have merchants that you could buy and just straight up Doge, like which is fucking dope. Like for a big company like that to do that, that is wonderful.
Yes,
But yeah,
sir.
we're closing up this wedge right here on this Dogecoin. So let's see how long this takes, But this could be, like I said, I think we're gonna pump up a little bit for a few days, and then we're gonna definitely drop lower. But it's everybody just keep an eye on this, see what's up. But that's all I have for y'all for today, and let's do this again. That's all we have for y'all for today. So let's do this
Yes,
again.
sir. Yes, sir. That's pretty
Another
much the stream for the most part. I mean, shit, we really appreciate y'all, like, coming back, joining, listening, liking, sharing. If you haven't
yes,
subscribed, guys, hey, don't don't waste time. Okay, just do it now. Okay, just do it now. Okay, we're
yeah,
giving you guys valuable information, although it's not financial advice, as you can see on the screen. But it's a good discussion. It's a good thing, to hear different opinions about certain things. It could give you an idea of where your own decisions currently lie or whatever. But guess yeah, we'll see y'all in the next stream within a few,
yeah.
maybe
In the next few
probably,
days,
yeah,
yeah, we're definitely gonna
yeah,
put something else, post something else up soon. It's a lot going on in the market, so it's a lot of news. We're definitely gonna be
yeah,
sharing with y'all. I know today, we just showed you about the Russian ban, but there's more stuff cooking up. So as time goes on, we're gonna keep throwing it out there to you guys. But yeah, thank y'all for watching us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We really appreciate the support, and thank you.
yes, sir. Well, y'all enjoy the rest of y'all's day. Have a great Sunday. See you on the next one. Peace, y'all.
Cheese.